Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for business owners and anyone handling financial transactions: how to properly endorse a business check in 2025. With new regulations making things a bit more streamlined, getting this right can help you avoid delays or even fraud. Let's dive in. First things first, what does endorsing a check mean? Simply put, it's signing the back to authorize its use, like depositing it into your business account. For businesses, this is especially important to ensure security and compliance. In 2025, many banks are pushing for digital options, but we'll cover the traditional method too. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need the check itself, a pen with black or blue ink, and any required identification. Make sure the check is legitimate. Check for the date, payee, and amount. Step 2. Flip the check over to the endorsement section, usually a blank area on the back. Write your business name, followed by your signature and title. For example, ABC Corp. by Jane Doe, Treasurer. This adds a layer of verification. Step 3. Choose the right type of endorsement. A blank endorsement is just your signature, but for businesses, go with a restrictive one like, for deposit only, to your business account. This limits how the check can be used and protects against theft. Step 4. If it's a two-party check or involves multiple signers, get all required endorsements. In 2025, some banks allow electronic signatures via apps, so double-check your bank's policy to speed things up. Now, a few tips to keep in mind. Always endorse the check right before depositing to minimize risks, use permanent ink to prevent smudging, and watch out for common mistakes like forgetting to include your business details or dating it incorrectly. Wrapping this up, endorsing a business check doesn't have to be complicated when you follow these steps. It keeps your finances secure and your operations smooth. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.